Thank you, everybody, for helping us. We have achieved a great deal of work on the Suffolk School Board situation. The Suffolk School Board situation is Suffolk, Virginia. The City of Suffolk School Board cracked down on prayer warriors who prayed at the school board meeting. Their monthly meeting last week was hellacious. It was a terrible situation. The prayer warriors have gotten national support. The country condemns the city school board for basically outlawing prayer. People did pray at the meeting. There was opposition at the meeting. There was a very enthusiastic involvement on the part of the general public supporting the prayer warriors. The prayer warriors are in litigation now. We are supporting them in litigation. Prayer warriors themselves did not get rearrested, did not come back to be thrown out again. They're now reserving their legal rights, and we're helping them fight. The country is helping the prayer warriors. The school board chairman was resolute in continuing his dictatorial mandate to have a suspension of the American and Virginia constitutions. Last Thursday, Public Advocate was there. We streamed live. We got a nationwide audience. We're alerting you that this is a continuing fight. The Suffolk School Board is a criminal enterprise. They have a pattern of lawlessness. A Virginia Supreme Court judge condemned them for not following Freedom of Information Act here in Virginia. They are supposed to have open meetings. They've been having secret meetings, and Virginia Supreme Court has ruled they cannot violate the Freedom of Information Act. Now they're violating the Constitution for religious liberty. Now, Public Advocate has filed a letter with the Attorney General, and we are doing a follow-up with the Attorney General, and we're putting together a bunch of lawyers who are helping with the litigation and other actions for these victims of discrimination. And we are going back to the Attorney General and citing various other statutes that this man, this chairman of the school board, continues to violate the rights of the general public. Now, the big bonus on this is that the school board in Suffolk is being educated, that people who are working with me on the Loudoun County situation are now citing the Loudoun County situation, where there was a criminal indictment, where there is a grand jury proceeding, where there are trials for criminal activity in progress. And so the pressure is building. With your help, the pressure is building on the Suffolk element, the criminal element that's running that City of Suffolk School Board, ignoring disclosure laws, ignoring constitutional rights, just taking a dictatorial control of their public meetings, which are supposed to allow for public comment. But these parents are fighting back. The federal government itself is also being involved. And our peaceful protest, our peaceful engagement is being opposed by the federal authorities under Joe Biden, President Biden. And we're going to be ready to defend ourselves against them as well. Clearly, the lessons we've learned in Loudoun County have been heard. And because of our leadership on the Suffolk City School Board, it reminded people in Loudoun County of how important criminal investigations for hiding things, for covering up crimes, for failure to lie in public, literally lie about constitutional. I mean, they take an oath of office, uphold the Constitution of the United States and Virginia, and they're violating that oath. Well, there's criminal proceedings for that right now in Loudoun County. So the precedent has been set because Public Advocate pushes this, because you push it, because we don't leave these victims alone. And we're not going to leave these victims alone in Loudoun County or in Suffolk.